Greetings, everyone. In this video, we are going to see different methods in order to trace a parabola. First, we're going to pick a point on the x-axis. It's point A. And then we are going to make a circle around it, the unit circle. Now, we make a perpendicular line to the x-axis at this point. And we name the intersection. We got point B. Now we connect the origin to point B. Now we got BC. Now we make a perpendicular line to BC at C. Let's give the intersection a name. It's D. All right. Now D actually traces to a parabola. This is because of triangle similarity, ABC and ACD. If AC is X, we have AB always 1. So 1 to X is equal to x squared. So if we trace it, it will be obviously a parabola. You see at point 2, it's 4. At point 1, it's 1. And so on. We can make even more sure. So here we got x squared. It actually lies exactly on top of it. So that was the first method. The second method is we pick a point. We pick a perpendicular line to the y-axis at point 0, 1. We got here 0, 1, and now we make a perpendicular to the y-axis. Now we choose a point that moves, which is B, from negative to positive, infinity. We connect it to the origin. Now we have CB. We make a perpendicular to CB at B. And then at the intersection, we make another perpendicular line. And then from the last line, which is here called I, we make a perpendicular line that passes through point C, which is the origin. Now the intersection here is actually also traces to a parabola. And we can make even more sure by showing the parabola x squared. And it's exactly it. All right, that was the second method. The third method is already there on the internet, but can you figure out the connection between all the three of them? First, it goes like this. First, we pick a point, or let's make a circle at the origin. Sorry, that was not the origin. We pick a circle with radius 1/4. The intersection on the top side we will get what's called the focus, and on the bottom side, it's where the directrix pass. Now we pick a point. I think this method has been already described in other videos, but it's not harmful to mention it here as well. So we make a perpendicular line at point D. Remember, D that will move from negative to positive infinity. Now we connect DC. C is the focus, or the foci. I don't know exactly the pronunciation or the difference. Sorry for that. Now we make a perpendicular bisector of CD. The intersection point will again trace to a parabola. We can make sure by showing x squared. And as you can see, it goes on top of it exactly. Well, that was it for our video. If you have any question, please let me know. Probably I will not know the answer. If I know the answer, then I will tell you. Thanks you for watching. Bye-bye.